Well, I had a company reach out to me wanting to know if I wanted to review a set of Bluetooth headphones. So I was like, sure. They sent me not one of these, but two. The other one's over there. I'll show you that in a minute. So let's get into it. I'll show you all this stuff because a lot of people want to know this stuff. I don't know why, but they do. And like always, if you need to see it any longer, just pause the video. These are cool. You Bluetooth them to your phone. You can play music. You can answer a phone call. So let's get these things open and check them out. There's some of the directions if you want to see that, what it'll do. Of course, I'll cover some of it. But if you need to see any of this any longer, then just pause the video. All right, first up, I'm going to show you this. It came in this cool carry bag. It's like vinyl, leather, I don't know what it is. Now this will come in handy at the range, if you know, you know. Come with a, whatever this is, a service card. Comes with a charge cord, which is the white one. Just regular USB to USB-C. It also comes with the cord that you can plug in to the headphone and then to your device in case the battery goes dead or you just don't want to use it Bluetooth. You can hook it up that way. Here is the headphones. And we're going to turn them on in a minute. There's a charge port right in there. And there's the port for that cord. And I don't know if you can see that, but right there's a little tiny hole. Maybe that's the microphone. Now, guess what? You can also use these with your computer. Perfect headphones for that. Okay, it said powering on. I don't know if you can see the blue light it's on. It said Bluetooth pairing mode. So I guess I better hurry up and turn the Bluetooth on my phone. It's talking to me, it says Bluetooth connected, and it is. So why do we need Bluetooth connected? Play some music. I'm just waiting for the song to come on. Obviously, you're not going to be able to hear it. Let's get over here and cover some of the features. Just wanted to show you the blue light in case you didn't see it when I had it on my head. And power button, volume button, and a multi-function button. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, hopefully you can see this. It shows this button right here, the memory button, or the multi-function button rather, not the memory. Does all this. Bluetooth reset, pause and play, a single press. Next track is a double press. Previous track is 3 press. That's getting a little bit much on the button pushing, ain't it? Answer a call, if a call's coming in. It's a single. Decline a call, you long press for 2 seconds, and after you've already answered a call, you long press for 2 seconds to end it. Switch to call on hold is double press. Mute and unmute is a single press of that button. And of course, you know, the power or the volume up and down. This side is down, this side is volume up, as it shows right there. And of course, this button is power on the headset, power it off, and right there it shows the audio input. Use the functions of the device if you plug it in here. And look at there, it even comes with a 3-year warranty. That's awesome. Okay, so like I said, they sent me these. I did not pay for them. Oh, look at here. New merch cup. Pretty cool. It's on both sides. This is on the 4th wall merch site. If you want to get some of that, get you some. There's a bunch of stuff on there. All right, I'm going to show you these one more time. They're really comfortable. Now, it says it has somewhere in there I read where it has really good bass. Not really, not so much. I mean, it has okay bass, but it could be better, put it like that, especially for how big these things are. But other than that, I mean, they are great. They sound really good. And, you know, you can just leave them turned off. It said power off. It said you can just leave them off. You don't have to have them on to use them as earmuffs, like if you're using the mower or weed eating or whatever. In fact, I did a couple clips of me using these on the riding mower, and I could barely hear the thing run. That's how good they are. I could imagine how good it would be if I had music playing through them where I wasn't even listening or paying attention to outside noise. These things are pretty good. They're going to come in handy at the you know what range. But yeah, you don't have to have them turned on. You just use them as earmuffs, and then you can't hear. Like, I know you can't hear the difference, but I can't hear that fan running anymore. They work pretty good. These are going to be awesome. You want to make sure the volume is up on your phone, and then you can turn the volume up and down here. I'm not sure if it actually operates just the headphones volume or if it makes your phone volume go up and down. Let's look and see. It's pretty good. Turn it on. It said power on, Bluetooth pairing mode, and then it connected because it was already connected to it once before. That's pretty awesome. Hopefully you can hear me and I'm not talking too loud because I can barely hear myself. I think the one press of the memory or the multifunction button paused it. Let's play it. Okay, I just wanted to show you. They did send 2. They asked me if I wanted to review them. I said, sure, if you'll send 2 of them. Pretty awesome. They didn't have to send 2. They could have just sent 1. I appreciate it. Thank you very much for that. These are pretty awesome. The bass is okay. I tried it on a couple different songs, different types of songs, and the bass is okay. They sound pretty good. Like I said, using them as just a pair of headphones, earmuffs, whatever you want to call it, to keep the noise out. They work great for that. But to top it off, they also are Bluetooth. So you can answer your phone, talk on the phone. You can play music through it. You can use them on your computer. Whatever has Bluetooth where it can connect, right? And if it don't have Bluetooth or you don't want to use Bluetooth, you got the little cord where you can hook to the headphones. I've already showed you the little headphone jack right there. You can hook the cord there and then plug the cord into whatever, your phone, computer, whatever you're using. That way, the battery goes dead, you can still use them. You ain't got to wait for them to charge up. You just have to hook the cord up. So that's a pretty good feature. I'm going to try them out on the computer and see how they sound, even though these are a little heavier. But I'm assuming you'll get used to them. And like I said, I'll put a clip in of me using the mower. If you want to get you a pair of these, check the link down there in the description. You get a discount code. You go to their website, 10% off if you use my code. So that's awesome. Thank you very much for allowing my viewers to have a discount code. I appreciate that. Anybody looking to get some headphones, hearing protection, these would be the way to go. These are pretty cool. That's all I got for this video. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.